Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your account to a business account on your Pinterest account, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account management and here we'll find convert to a business account. Just click on it and click convert account, and here you can add any name here like this and click next, and add your link and click next, and that's it. Keep going and it will be converted, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.